Hi. I'm sorry, I forgot.
Hello, Leslie.
Yeah, hi.
Good day. Oh, you look good today. I think it's
Thank
the
you.
first time that I saw you put down your hair.
Today I don't have customer today.
So you don't have a busy day today?
Yeah.
That is good to know.
Mhm.
Well, anyway, Mom asked me, do you see the screen?
Yes, I see it.
Okay. I'm really sorry for my voice because um I don't have a healthy cord. So
Mm.
my voice gets easily be like this if I drink a lot of cold water.
Okay, I understand that.
All right. So, Mom asked me the last topic that we had was doing your unit test. So,
Mm.
for tonight, we will be going to have a new lesson, which is all about leisure time.
Mm.
So, do you know what is leisure?
The leisure.
Mm-hmm.
Not sure, but it sound similar to something. Not sure.
Mm-mm.
Leisure.
Have you heard it before?
I heard it before, but I don't remember
I
the
see.
meaning.
Okay. Like, it means that relaxing or
Mm.
having a comfortable time.
No, okay.
Like,
Like free time, or not free
mm,
time, like the time you um yeah, I understand that, but I
couldn't express.
yeah.
ah, like for example, mom asked me like a kind of lifestyle, which is you can get whatever you want.
Mm.
Like, you can go shopping, you don't have any problems. Like living
Mm.
in a
Mm.
comfortable way. Okay?
Yeah. Mm.
So, first, you will be going to know what are the vocabulary words about leisure time. So,
Okay.
let's begin, Ma'am Esme. Okay, here. Okay, Ma'am
It's
Esme, please read.
not show yet.
Oh, not yet? Really?
No, it here. So I see college,
Mhm.
hangout, and social media.
Yes. Just tell me which word you don't understand the meaning.
No, I understand all.
Okay, that's great. Let's move on to how to use do, play, and go. Okay? So let's
It's do,
learn the do
play.
first. Yes. Okay. So for the do, will you please read it for me?
We normally use do with individual sport and active, not ending in
ING.
ing.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So like for example, ma'am asked me, think about an activity or sports. Okay. Like example, you are going to have, for example, the activity is basketball. So basketball is not ending with ing.
Mm.
So you can use do for it. Okay? So do,
Like do homework, do homework, do not something end with ing.
yes ma'am. As long
Okay.
as as long as you specify that that person is doing it alone.
Mm.
Okay? Like for
Okay.
example, sorry for the basketball, okay? But you can use do if the person is only one playing basketball, okay?
Mm.
But if
Mm.
they are doing basketball with a team, it means you cannot use do for that. Okay?
Play.
Yeah. So example, do tennis. I
Do tennis.
no 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 no. Tennis is a pair group,
Mm.
okay? So you think of a sports which is you can do it alone only. Okay?
Only.
Mm-mm.
Sport do only. What sport?
Alone. Like you can do it alone. Like
Mm.
do
Football. Football we can play alone.
no, you
No.
cannot. That's a team.
With the team. Not I'm not sure which sport. Swimming with an ing.
Mm.
Mm.
Okay. Like for example, you can do it alone. Um, do chessboard.
Chessboard.
Yeah, chess.
Not
Chess.
chessboard. We need to play together.
But you can do it alone with with your like the opposite player, you
Mm.
know? It
Okay,
means
okay.
like you can do that sport alone, like aside from your
Mm.
opponent, you can do it
Mm.
alone by yourself. Okay?
Mm. Yeah,
Mm.
okay.
Okay, so that's it for the do. And then for the play, Mama asked me.
The play we normally you play with team sports, ball sports, game and musical instrument.
Yeah, Mama asked me. Okay, so remember team sports using the ball sports,
Mm.
games, and musical instrument. Okay, can you
Mm.
give me examples of it?
Play football,
Mm-mm.
play mm, a game. And what game? Play football, play volleyball,
Mm.
play what game?
Your clue there, Ma'am asked me, are the word or a sports that has involving a ball. So, like for example, volleyball,
Volleyball,
soccer.
soccer, yeah.
Mm. Okay,
In the
and
game,
yes, it's a games. Okay, and of course, musical instrument
mm.
like
Play
playing it.
guitar,
Yes, exactly. Okay.
piano. Okay.
Playing piano, playing guitar or violin, any kind of instruments. Okay, noted. And the last one is
We normally you go with sport and activities and in ing.
yes, ma'am. Okay. So
Go
all the sports that ends with ing, you are going to use.
go swimming, go
Yes,
hiking,
exactly.
go swimming, hiking. Yeah, something like that.
Exactly, Ma'am Esme. As long as the sport ends with ing, you can use go.
Mm.
Okay, so these are the examples, Ma'am Esme. So you can say
Do
this one.
karate,
Mm-hmm.
judo, uh, athletics,
Athletic.
athletic,
Mm-mm.
exercise, yoga. Ah, also I
Mm-hmm.
don't know what Tai Chi and archery, archery,
Mm.
no,
Archery.
archery.
Mm-mm.
Don't know. Play baseball, tennis, golf, volleyball, chess, cricket, hockey, guitar. Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay, Ma'am Esme, noted.
Yeah.
All right, now let's move on to the
So,
activity. So, to check the meaning of the activities and sports below, how many can you find in photos A to F? So, this is another kind of vocabulary, Ma'am Asmi.
mm,
Okay? I want you to pay attention to photos and to the words shown from these slides. Okay? Like, for example, okay, I want you to read these vocabulary words
I
silently.
thought I see only it's now. It's off now.
Okay.
Okay, back cakes, collect figures, card stamp,
Mhm.
draw, hang out with friends, make clothes, read books, magazines.
Okay. Please remember these vocabulary.
Mm.
Okay, another?
Collect figures.
Not yet. Is it shown already?
Back activity and sport. You know how many you can find in the photo AF.
Is it shown already the new slide, Ma'am Esme?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
No, it's now. It's now.
It's the same instruction, but the words are not the same. Okay.
Ah, because it's come late.
Oh, I'm sorry. I really don't know what is wrong. Why it's late? But let us just
Open the
trust the
Wi-Fi.
process.
Okay. This one is text your friends, use social media, video blog, watch video online, ballet,
Ballet.
ballet,
Mm-hmm.
ballet, ballroom dancing, basketball.
Yep. Okay, noted. Let's go to another set.
Not yet.
Mm-hmm. Just wait a minute.
Now,
Show now.
now only the word,
Mm.
not picture. Okay. Now, BMX,
Exhale.
BMXing,
Mm.
board game, bowling, camping, volleyball ways.
Okay. Next.
Not yet. Now, ice hockey, ice
Mm-hmm.
skating,
Martial.
martial art, martial
Martial.
art, martial art, drama, gymnastics, horse riding.
All right.
Not yet. Not yet. Oh, not yet now. Parks,
Mm-hmm.
cycling, chess, a musical instrument, photography, rollerblading.
Mm-mm. Okay, done. Let's go to another set of vocabulary. Okay.
No? Now, running, shopping, skateboarding, table tennis, volleyball, waves.
Okay. Now, Ma'am Esme, I want you to identify what are these activities shown from letter A to F from the vocabulary words a while ago. Name
Mm.
these. Activity 1, sports.
A is bowling.
Correct? B,
B chess, board game.
board games. Very good.
C photography. D um D I don't know. I don't know.
Almost there
Mm,
for letter E.
E is I know E is BM Xing.
Correct. And D,
And D like but we don't have the word picnic.
it starts with letter
Hiking.
C.
Hiking.
No, it's not. It starts with letter C.
So let's see. C
It
and the next
ends
word
it ends with ing.
ING.
Next word is
Mm.
next to C is A.
Camping.
Correct. So that's camping.
Camping and BMXing and reading.
Huh?
Reading.
Yeah. Or read books. Okay?
Read book.
Uh-uh.
Mm.
Okay. Now let's do this activity.
Mm. Which verb do we use with the blue activity and sport in the task one do play golf?
Yes, Ma'am Esme, you will be going to identify. Okay, which verbs do we use with the blue activities sports in task 1?
The first one ballet.
Okay,
Ballet.
wait a minute, Ma'am Esme. Let me just
Mm.
separate one word of this, okay?
Mm.
Because you will get confused if I will not change it. Okay, Ma'am Esme.
Mm.
So, you can also add the activities from a while ago, from the vocabulary with the photos a while ago. You can also add, okay? So, from here, you are going to identify these words, which verbs do they belong? And
The
then,
screen share is power.
sorry. My apology. Okay, here, Ma'am Esme, again. So, you will be going to identify these words given if which
Mm.
verb they belong. And then
Mm.
from the photos a while ago and
Mm.
words, you can also add here. Okay?
Mm.
Which
Okay.
there are words which you cannot find it here, like for example, eyes. So what are those activities that begins with eyes, which
Mm.
shown a while ago? Okay?
Mm.
Okay. So let's start with the do. The do first. You are going to identify from these words which belongs to
Do.
do.
Okay. Do ballet.
Mm-hmm.
Um, do board game.
Board games.
Can we play
Ay, sorry.
along?
Okay, Ma'am Esme. For the board games, it is not belong to the play. I mean to
Mm.
the do. Okay,
Mm.
to the do. As what I
Okay.
said, if you're going to emphasize only one person, you can put it to the do. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
So
Do
let me
gymnastic.
do first. Do first because the slide is I will mark it first, okay?
Mm. Do gymnastic.
Gymnastics.
Mm. Mm. Yeah.
That's all?
I don't remember all the pictures on before slide.
Do you want me
Mm.
to go back?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me show you one more time.
The previous slide.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do
Wait,
I take picture?
wait a minute. This is easier.
Mm.
Okay. Go.
Yeah. Uh,
You can add
do
this, okay?
mm, do bake cake.
Bake cakes.
No. Yeah, bake cake.
What else?
Collect, do collect figure card stamp. Do draw.
Okay. That's it?
But mm, read book magazine. Do read book magazine. But my clothes we can do along. But how can we use do
For
clothes?
make clothes?
Yeah.
No, you cannot use it for the do because there is already a verb which is make.
Mm,
Okay?
okay.
So you
Mm,
cannot use it.
mm. Okay. The next one. Do text your friend. Do
Mm-hmm.
social media. Do watch. What's a verb?
Mm.
Do ballet. Basketball. In video. Do basketball.
Do basketball. That is
Ah.
applicable for one person only. Okay?
Mm,
But
mm,
literally, if you say basketball, if you're going to play basketball, it is a team. Okay, Ma'am Esme?
mm.
So you cannot use basketball for the do
Yeah.
unless if only one person is playing.
Mm.
Okay, next.
Do be này.
Mm-hmm, correct.
Do ways.
Okay, that's it.
Oh, that's it.
What about this one?
Um. Do I don't know. I hockey.
Oh yeah, this is not really famous. Only a few countries. This one is
Mm,
famous. Okay.
mm,
So I mean ice hockey, Mamesmi, it is a kind of sports which is played by a team. I think it's
mm,
11 players. Yeah, it's kind of the same with soccer. However, they
mm,
are playing in ice.
mm.
Yeah.
Okay. So do martial art.
Mm-hmm.
Do drama. Do gymnastic.
Okay.
Okay.
Now no, second to the last.
Do chess. Do musical instrument. Do photography. Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Last one.
Do ways. Only
Okay.
ways.
Okay, now let me just pause my screen because I'm going to go back. Okay, this time I will not show those vocabulary words. Okay, Ma'am Esme?
Mm, mm,
I will show you which sports and activities belongs to the do. So first we
mm.
have here drama. Another one is
The screen share power.
that is too bad for me.
Mm.
Okay, another.
Okay. So we go with the play.
I'm going to show you first what are the
Mm,
sports that belongs to the do. Okay?
mm, mm, mm.
Is it not shown yet?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the words that belongs to do. Okay, Ma'am
Okay.
Esme? Because literally or usually these are the activities and sports that can be done alone.
Mm,
Okay? And
okay. And play.
okay, what are the words that belongs to play?
Play. Ballroom. Play. We can play ballroom dancing.
Okay, that's it your answer?
But
Play.
ballroom dancing is not. Is
What was the
team
rule for the play? What are the sports and activities that you can use for
team instrument and ball game.
okay, ball games, right?
Team basketball.
Okay, basketball,
Yeah. Board game.
board games.
Yeah.
That's it?
That's it.
What about from the previous vocabulary words? What you had
Mm,
remembered that belongs to play?
the play the play the team volleyball play
Volleyball.
volleyball. Uh,
What else?
um, they play volleyball. Play. They don't have guitar. Ball. Uh, I remember all of this.
Okay. So basketball, board
Okay.
games. Okay, Mama's me.
Car. Car.
Cards,
Car.
chess.
Yes. We also do chess on ice hockey.
Mm-hmm.
I skating. Um,
Correct. Okay. Or a musical instrument. Then table
table tennis.
tennis. Mhm.
But chess we can use do and play.
Yeah, if you're going to play it alone, like a
Mm,
Go, okay, like you
mm,
can play it alone. However, if you have an opponent,
mm,
like if you are playing with a pair, then you are going to use play.
mm.
Okay?
Okay.
So just remember if you are playing it alone, you can use do.
Mm,
Okay? But if you are playing with somebody, you are going
mm.
to use
Play.
play. Okay?
Mm.
Like a group of people.
Yeah.
All right. So example for go is
Ballroom dancing,
mm,
BMXing,
correct.
bowling,
Correct.
camping, cycling, horse rollerblading, ice skating.
Very
Yeah,
good. Ing.
ing.
Okay, very good, Mama me. So that's it. Rollerblading.
Running, shopping, skateboarding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now let's have task 3. So will you please read it aloud, Mama me?
Put the activities and sport in exercise 2 into group A to G. You can put some of them into more than one group. How many more activities can you add?
Yes. Okay, like for example, like these are the activities and sports, Ma'am Esme, and then these are the one that you answered a while ago. What you will do is you will be going to classify it if they are belongs to games,
Mm.
music, or computer based activities or home based activities.
Okay, active and sport.
Yeah,
So
games.
with the game first, we
Uh
have um game basketball, BMXing, board game, bowling,
Wait a minute, let me mark your answer first, Ma'am
mm,
Esme. Basketball.
BMXing,
Mm-hmm.
board game,
Okay, board games.
bowling, cards, chess,
Go on.
with the game. I don't know, horse riding is a game or no? Yeah, I think horse riding.
Horse riding.
Yeah,
What
ice hockey,
else?
ice skating, rollerblading, running, shopping, skateboarding, tennis table, volleyball.
That's it?
Yeah.
This one all ing?
Ing, table tennis, volleyball, and yeah, for the musical.
You can also okay.
Yeah, the car also.
Yeah, you can I think you can use also activities and sports, Ma'am Esme. Not
Mm,
just for here, okay? You can use also these
mm,
words from the activities and sports.
The game like collect figures, card, stamp,
Cards, stamps,
and yeah. Okay.
collect figures
Yeah.
for games. Collect figures for games.
I think.
Okay, let me show you for the games. Okay,
Mm.
so games belong board games and cards and chess only. That's for the games. Okay,
Yeah.
for the games. Okay, now let me erase all of it since you have answers already. Now let us identify for the music.
Music.
Mm.
The music is the music.
Mm.
A musical instrument.
Musical instrument. Okay,
I think so.
that's it. Okay,
Yeah.
let's see. Music. That's ballet.
Ah,
Yeah, music
ballet.
with ballet. Of
Ballroom
course.
dancing.
Mm.
Mm.
Musical instrument. Okay, computer-based activities.
Okay, computer-based activities. Use social media, video blog, watch video online,
Mm. That's it.
photography.
Photography. Okay. Final.
I think so.
All right. So, aside from photography, all your answers are correct. Okay. Next, we have home-based activities.
Homemade bake cake,
Mm-hmm.
draw,
Mm-hmm.
hang out with friends, read book, read magazine, text your friend.
Okay. That's all?
Ways. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what are the home-based activities. Okay, Ma'am Esme. You can add more activities from your answers. So,
Figures then. Okay.
yes, like, everything that is accessible or you can do it at home, that is considered as home-based activities.
Mm.
So, it's up to you what are those, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now for the letter E. Outdoor activities or outdoor leisure.
Outdoor leisure
Mm-mm.
activity. Outdoor. Yes. Outdoor it will be camping, horse riding. I think so.
That's all?
BMXing,
Okay. Another?
cycling.
Mm.
I think so.
That's all?
Mm.
Sure? Only four?
I think for is outdoor.
Okay. So the answers are
Camping.
yes, Ma'am
I
Esme.
know. Okay.
Like that's what I said. Mm-hmm.
I thought rollerblading.
Yeah, it's outdoor.
Wait, who is outdoor also?
Yeah, outdoor.
Mm.
Rollerblading.
Mm.
Because you are not going to have this in your own home.
Okay.
Okay, like you need a lot of space for this one.
Mm.
And when you say leisure, it is not just sport, but sometimes it is your hobby, or as what I
Mm.
said, it is your comfort or relaxing time to release your stress. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, now for letter F.
Activities book you usually do my activity also. Bake cake.
Oh,
collect figure, draw stamp,
Correct,
draw,
correct.
read magazine, read book, text your friend,
Mm-hmm.
use social media, video blog, watch video online, ballet, um, BMXing,
Mm.
chess, cycling, drama gymnastics.
Okay, that's all.
Okay.
All right.
That's these
Yes,
ways.
exactly. All your
Mm,
answers are correct.
mm.
Okay, so sports you usually do on your own. Actually, all of these are correct. Like, it's up to
Mm.
you, you know,
Yes, right.
because it's your own thing.
Mm.
Okay, what about letter G?
Sport you do with another person or in a team. In a team, we need
Mm-mm.
to um ballroom dancing, basketball, board game, bowling, camping, golf. I think no, ice hockey, ice skating, uh, s- volleyball, tennis.
Yes. Okay,
Mm,
Mama me. Yeah, everything is possible. Okay.
mm,
Yes. So I think you knew already and understand how to use the three verbs, right?
mm.
Yeah. So do you have any question regarding how to use the do, play, and go?
No, I understand.
Okay, thank you. Now for task 4, this is speaking activity. So, which of the activities and sports in task 2 have you tried and enjoyed?
I have tried uh, running,
Mhm.
weight. I think like gym, not like gym.
Yeah, you mentioned it was just amazing. Okay.
Yeah,
Like,
it's like gym, not weight like
yeah,
very
like the
heavy.
beginner weight
Mm.
for the beginner.
Yeah. Mm, and yeah, I think a lot of it.
What about camping or baking?
Camping.
No?
Yeah, yes, baking, bake cake, texting my friend, watching TV, read book, read magazine. Yeah.
Okay. And have you enjoyed it?
Yes, I enjoy it. With the most is I like baking. I like bake
Mm,
cake.
that's great. So you know how to
I
bake a
I like to
cake.
bake, but I don't want to eat.
I don't know if that really applies to the chef, usually. Like, usually the person who cook, they don't like to eat
Don't like cake. Yeah, it's
the
too
food.
sweet.
Uh,
Yeah,
you just
some
love
people
to
love
decorate,
cake. Yes, yes,
I
yes, yes,
guess.
right.
Okay, I got it. Okay, now Miss Me, what about for letter B? Have
You have
you tried but
tried.
didn't enjoy?
I have tried. Um, uh, I have tried skateboarding, but I
Eh.
don't like it. It's too dangerous. Mm, and I have tried also chess, but
Mhm.
I don't like because I don't understand. I play card, but I don't like, I don't enjoy because it's too hard. I cannot win.
Oh, same here.
I feel like I'm very unlucky. So every time I play with my sister or my son, I always lose.
Oh, I can relate to that.
Yeah.
like like sometimes I feel like I'm out of place because they wanted to play cards. But I don't know, it's not really for me and I'm not interested. you
Not
know?
interested. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So, would you like to try some other sports? Like,
Mm.
what other sports or activities would
Oh,
you
wow.
like to try?
I would like to try what? Try try ballet
Ballet.
because
Ah, okay.
when I see the girl do ballet, and like do ballet,
Mm-hmm.
it look very beautiful.
Graceful, right?
Yeah, only like this.
I know, but it's so hard. But who knows? But must be you try. It's not too late.
Yeah, yeah,
All right. Anyway, Ma'am Esme, last question for tonight's class.
yeah.
Would you prefer not to try, or what are those activities like you will not prefer to try, and why?
I don't prefer uh play cards.
You're really standing with that one. Okay, why?
Because it's for me I don't like it, so it's okay, but for someone they really enjoy it, so it's very dangerous because they can use all the money for the card,
Exactly.
like addictive,
Mm.
addictive.
I think you're talking about like casino already.
Yeah, yes, well,
Like,
addictive.
yeah, they get addicted. Okay, Ma'am Esme, so I think that is a wrap up
Yeah,
for tonight's activity. I wish you learned something new tonight. And
yeah.
do you have any question?
No, I understand our lesson today.
All right. So thank you so much for tonight, Ma'am Esme. I
Yeah, thank
wish
you.
you're welcome. I wish you have a great day and enjoy the rest of the day.
Yeah,
Goodbye, Ma'am
thank you.
Esme. God
Bye,
bless.
bye.
See you tomorrow.